Welcome to another episode of Roxy's Ride and Inspire. Today I'm sharing a short inspirational moment, and that is how you can turn your frustration into motivation. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. First off, it's important to know that when you're frustrated, it's actually just a sign that you are motivated. Because if you're frustrated that you're not reaching a goal, for example, because you really want to wheelie and it's just not working, then it's just showing you that you are serious about your goal. You really want to wheelie. So it's just a sign that you want to get there. And now, let's turn this frustration into motivation, and I have two really cool techniques for you today. The first one is a logical exercise, and that is that if you know that what's called the Super Mario effect works, then you can start turning your frustration into motivation by itself. Now let me tell you what the Super Mario effect is. This is an experiment, I'm going to link the video below, that a YouTuber and a scientist did, and the experiment goes like this. He asked two different types of people to do a task, and one group of these people, they got a punishment when they didn't reach a specific goal, and the other group did not get punished if they didn't reach the same goal. And the people who got a punishment, they stopped much quicker than the other ones, and the people who did not get a punishment, they reached their goal much more reliably. So many more of these people who were not punished for not reaching their goal actually achieved their goal. And now, if you take this to your situation, so you're practicing a specific skill and you get frustrated. Why do you get frustrated? If you're honest with yourself for a second, you are getting frustrated because you are not meeting your own goals. So you are starting to punish yourself for not meeting your goals. Who else is punishing you, right? Is there anyone else punishing you? If you're honest, you're going to be saying, no, actually, I'm beating myself up. At least that's what a lot of people wrote when I asked this question on Instagram. And so many people said, yeah, because I get upset with myself because I have this goal and I don't reach it. I start beating myself up. I start comparing myself to others. And all of this is internally motivated. So think about it. Super Mario effect, if I don't punish myself, the chances of reaching the goal are much higher. Stop punishing yourself. Say, hey, it's okay. Accept it. I'm where I am. It's not working. Learning is not linear. It's more like this. It's totally okay. And tomorrow is a new day. Even if I only get 1% improvement a day, I'm going to reach my goal in 100 days. Take it, accept it, move on, and go have a motivated day. The second technique is a practical technique, and it's going to be a little crazy. When I heard this first, I was like, what the hell are they doing? But just try it. Okay, it goes like this. You do this movement and say, even though I'm totally frustrated right now, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. And you're gonna be like, what the hell is this? Do it. Just do it. Even though I am totally frustrated right now, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. What you're actually doing with this movement is you're connecting the two brain hemispheres and you're creating kind of a wave. And this calms down your stress receptors. And by creating this, even though I do, you are also accepting what you're not accepting. This is neuroscientifically proven and it really works. And you do this at least 3 times. So you repeat the sentence 3 times. Even though I, whatever you are, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. Even though I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. 3 times, and then you take a deep, deep breath and let it go. Just let it go. And you try again. I know this is crazy, but just try it out and let me know how it works. Use the comment section below. If you like this video, buy me a coffee because I love coffee. See you again for my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.